How you doing today, Mary?
I'm fine.
Good. So tell me, how was your design consultant who came to your home?
She was wonderful. She was very personable.
Yay.
She was sweet. You know, she laughed with us.
Good. That's what we like to hear.
So we really enjoyed her.
Good. And then how did you hear about our company?
Well, of course, my brother in Washington had Empire.
Mm-hmm.
Not Empire. I'm sorry. What is it?
Express Flooring?
Express.
Empire. We're Express
Empire.
Flooring.
Yeah,
Empire is out of state. We are a family-owned business in just Arizona.
Oh,
So,
really?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. But anyway, and they were very happy with them, so I thought it was the same company. But
Oh,
anyway.
okay.
And of course, TV ads.
Oh, good. Good.
Yes.
And then how was your overall experience with Express Flooring from start to finish?
It was great.
Great.
Great. If I had anything to say, the cost surprised us a little bit.
Okay. But as far as the warranty goes with it, yeah, it does. It definitely makes sure that. Plus, we just want to make sure that we're following up with you, ensuring that if you do have any issues with your flooring, we will make sure we take care of that
she
as well.
explained. Our consultant explained all that to us.
Yay.
And it was really great. Yeah.
Oh,
we
good.
enjoyed her a lot.
All right, Mary. Well, thank you for all of your inputs, and you enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.